A very warm good morning to everyone present here today to celebrate the Health and Wealth Day for the academic year 2013 and 14. Thank you for giving me this
Hello, my name is Razu Pazu Toto. I hope you like your Kinder music book. I made a recording of it so you can follow along while reading it. Just turn the page each time you hear this sound. Ready? Let's begin.
Dear parents, put your hands together to welcome our Euro Junior boys team who wants to perform the basics of drill using the colorful pom-pom. Parents, cheer and applaud to motivate our dear ones who are performing such an event for the first ever time in their life. And you know the first step need to be encouraged for their success.